So most people solve this question like 15 plus 10 is equal to 25 and 5 multiplied 2 is equal to 10. Okay, so 25 divided by 10 can be written as 25 upon 10. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, so according to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, in this question we have one addition, one division and one multiplication. So first we have to solve multiplication and division, and both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this division, then we have to solve this multiplication. So is equal to 15 plus, now 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2 multiplied 2. Now here is a one addition and one multiplication. So according to PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve multiplication. Okay, then we have to solve addition. So is equal to 15 plus, now solve this multiplication, 2 multiplied 2 is equal to 4. So now 15 plus 4 is equal to 19. So the correct answer is 19. Okay.